with an adverse precedent of 406 Pakistani nationals going lost, with a mournful precedent of 377 reported deaths over the course of 3 years retrospectively, and then with a tragic precedent, rather an incident that happened in June 2023 in the form of Greece boat tragedy that ended up perishing a lot of Pakistani irregular migrants in the Mediterranean Sea. Thus, these were the precedents that prompted the reaction from the government of Pakistan in general and the Federal Investigation Agency of Pakistan in particular to take various measures and mechanisms to ultimately curb and eradicate this irregular migration of the citizens of Pakistan or the Pakistani nationals that go overseas through the irregular migration process and end up being exploited, being indulged, or getting involved in tragic incidents or ultimately death. The overloading you see or experience at various airports of Pakistan may seem unpleasant and disturbing, but it has an history, a context, and a huge category of precedents with it. Yes, this overloading, which comes mainly in two categories. Number one, the overloading that has resulted due to the initiative or the crackdown by the Federal Investigation Agency that has resulted into 39,786 offloaded case solely for the year 2025. And then comes the category where more than 34,000 people again only in the year 2025 were offloaded either due to the technical reasons or due to flight cancellations or flight delays or ultimately a request for arrest from the various departments or agencies of Pakistan, mainly including customs, anti-narcotics force, airport security force, or police. The additional Director General of the Immigration Services of Pakistan has explicitly stated in this regard that these offloading decisions are not arbitrary but are actually based on the established standard of procedures, the destination country requirements, and yes, any kind of discrepancy in the basic document or the verification system of the migrants' documents would result into the offloading. Otherwise, genuine passengers would always be facilitated and would always be exempted from any kind of inconvenience related to offloading. The overloading of more than 39,000 citizens by FIA and then the overloading of more than 34,000 citizens by non-FIA agencies solely in the year 2025 has actually contributed to various positive results that mainly includes a 75% reduction in the deportation of Pakistani nationals from various parts of the country that would happen due to beggary and forgery, and then as compared to 2024, in year 2025 a general decrease of or a reduction of 16% has also been recorded in the deportation of the Pakistani nationals from again various parts of the globe. But this happened due to the initiative of the government of Pakistan, the stricter reforms by the government of Pakistan, and then the crackdown that has been taken by the Federal Investigation Agency in the form of the overloading phenomena and stricter pre-departure screening system for the citizens of Pakistan. Thank you.